How to open NGL account in another phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that the NGL app is updated to its latest version on your device. Now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of NGL app. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Well, now as you can see, it is linked with the Instagram account of mine. So to open the NGL account in another phone, all you have to do is just insert your login credentials of Instagram into the NGL application and it will help in opening the NGL account. You just don't need any sort of password over here. You can just use the Instagram application or any other social media like Snapchat or X or Twitter. So any media or any accounts that you have associated with it. So you can just use their login credentials and you can open NGL account in another phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.